Hi, this is your host, and today we are going to discuss the executive report on Eli Lilly and Camurus, to leading players in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries. These two companies have recently announced a strategic development agreement valued at up to $870 million. The purpose of this collaboration is to leverage Camurus' proprietary drug delivery platform to create long-acting versions of Eli Lilly incretin-based therapies. Specifically, 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧, which is branded as 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢 for diabetes and 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢 for obesity. Both drugs have already shown blockbuster potential, and this partnership aims to further enhance their appeal by reducing the injection frequency from weekly to monthly, or even less often. Now, let's examine the key elements of this transformative deal. Firstly, it's important to understand the value proposition of the product. Currently, Eli Lilly's incretin therapies are administered once a week. However, there is a growing preference for chronic disease treatments to be administered less frequently. The long-acting versions of 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧 being developed through this collaboration will align better with the expectations of payers and patients alike. Furthermore, by improving treatment adherence, this innovation can enhance the convenience and satisfaction of both patients and providers. Camurus fluid crystal technology has already been clinically and commercially validated in other therapeutic areas. Therefore, this approach represents a relatively de-risked path to developing long-acting formulations. The global anti-obesity drug market is expanding rapidly and is expected to exceed $100 billion by 2030. This growth is driven by several factors, including technological push and market pull. Technological push refers to the continuous innovation and development of new drugs and delivery systems, whereas market pull encompasses the increasing demand for effective weight management solutions. The demand for long-acting drugs is on the rise due to their potential to enhance treatment adherence and reduce the burden of frequent injections. Moreover, there is a need to offer patients more convenient treatment options that fit better into their lifestyles. Currently, weekly GLP-1 injection adherence rates range from 60 to 70%, but this is expected to increase to above 80% with monthly or longer regimens. This improvement in adherence can significantly impact clinical outcomes, real-world effectiveness, and payer acceptance. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Now let's compare the competitive landscape. Eli Lilly has two products in the market, 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢𝗡 and 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢𝗡, which target both the GLP-1 and GIP receptors. These dual agonists have demonstrated superior clinical results compared to single-target therapies. On the other hand, Novo Nordisk, the market leader with products like Wegovy and Ozempic, relies on GLP-1 monoagonists. Although Novo Nordisk is developing an oral semaglutide, this version faces limitations in bioavailability. Their long-acting injectable pipeline is less mature compared to Eli Lilly's collaboration with Camurus. Thus, Lilly's deal offers a clear technological and timeline advantage in launching ultra-convenient therapies before competitors can respond. Furthermore, let's discuss Eli Lilly's stock due diligence. Over the past year, the stock price has increased by approximately 68%, outperforming broader market indices and major pharmaceutical competitors. This strong performance is attributed to the approval of 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢 and the sustained growth of 𝗟𝗡𝗡𝗢𝗡. Additionally, investors are optimistic about the company's obesity and neuroscience pipeline. Analysts generally maintain a bullish outlook, with most rating the stock as a buy or strong buy. Price targets range from $880 to $1,120 per share, with a median estimate of around $965. Now let's explore a 5-year stock forecast. The long-acting 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧 formulations are expected to enter the clinic by late 2026. Based on risk-adjusted forecasts and estimated market uptake, the stock could experience the following incremental gains: $8.20 per share in 2025 for platform optimization and early phase development, $12.50 in 2026 for early clinical validation, $19.30 in 2027, assuming regulatory progress or submission, and $34 in 2028 if approved and launched, with peak uptake beginning. Finally, $48.70 more by 2029 to 2030, assuming full global adoption. Cumulatively, the partnership could add approximately $120.70 in per-share economic value through 2030. Based on current trends, the 2030 price target could reach around $1,070 per share, implying a compound annual growth rate of roughly 6.9%. To conclude, Eli Lilly's deal with Camurus is a significant step towards establishing ultra-convenient, long-acting therapies as the new standard of care for obesity and diabetes. With Camurus' validated delivery technology and Eli Lilly's proven molecules, this collaboration has the potential to create a product class that transforms patient lives while generating substantial shareholder value. As the exclusive global partner for this transformative technology, Eli Lilly is well positioned to deliver on this promise and further solidify its position as a leader in the metabolic disease space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning.